Hey y'all, it's your girl Sasha E. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get this super chunky and fluffy twist out using just one product. If you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, just keep on watching. So I am starting off with freshly washed hair, you guys. If y'all are interested in seeing all the products that I use for my wash day, I'll definitely link them below in my description box. So I did decide to blow dry my hair just for the sake of time. If you guys aren't interested in blow drying your hair, you can definitely do the style on stretch hair, and I'll link above in the iCards my stretch routine. So I did decide to do a side part for my hair, and right now I'm just putting my hair in sections. In total, I had 25 twists. I decided to do medium-sized twists because I wanted a lot of volume, and I also wanted to maintain the definition. So for this twist out, I will be using one product. I'll be using Kulisha's Curly Cream. So I've used this product on my channel before, and you guys loved that tutorial. I'll link it above if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, this is all that I'll be using, really nice and creamy. So as far as my natural hair for this entire back section, I'll be doing 6 twists. So I am going to start by adding some of the curly cream to my hair. So I'm really gonna add that to my hair and just work it in so that my hair isn't too damp, but it has enough moisture. I don't want to put a ton of the cream on there because I do not want my hair to start reverting back, but I want enough so that it could feel really nice and moisturized, especially at the ends of my hair. So now I'm gonna take my Denman brush and I'm just gonna brush my hair through, make sure that section is nice and detangled, and then I am going to start twisting. So I am gonna twist all the way down, and as I twist, I'm not going to be borrowing any hair. A lot of times when we get really bad twist outs, it's because we are borrowing hair. So when it's time for us to take out our twist, it's super duper frizzy, so we're just gonna twist it all the way down. If you do run into an issue where you are running out of hair, like you have only one side left to twist, don't split it in half and start twisting again. Just do a finger coiling. You should be good.
You so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me we'll be on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna...
So my hair is all twisted up. I did sit underneath the dryer for 30 minutes. You can sleep with this overnight and then unravel. So for me, I'm gonna go in with my Luster's Pink's Natural Oils blends, and I'm gonna spray 2 pumps in my hand, and then I'm going to start unraveling my hair.
Either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my, all bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me where we on the day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves, and I'm knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone.
Alright guys, so now that I'm done unraveling my hair, I do want a little bit more volume, so I am separating just a little bit. I didn't separate most of them down all the way till the end. As you can see, I'm just lightly separating them just to give myself a little bit more volume.
Make amends, no you can, I'm out here.
Trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
Alright guys, so this is the final look. My hair is super fluffy, chunky, just the way that I like it. I love this look on me. If you guys like this look as well, definitely give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. I post on Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at noon Eastern Standard Time, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!